Tera-machi is one of the spiritual spots in Kitsuki Castle Town. Today, I'm going to show you this area. There are two samurai districts on the northern and southern plateau. Tera-machi is the west side of the southern plateau, and on the right side, there are samurai residences. On the left side, there are rows of 5 temples: Choshoji Temple, Anjuji Temple, Myotokuji Temple, Shokakuji Temple, and Yotokuji Temple. Why do you think these temples were built gathered in the same area? They served as a stronghold for the western part of the castle town. The temples were used as a place for samurai to gather at the time of war. It was sort of the base. It's said that about 400 years ago, the feudal lord of Kitsuki domain, Mr. Matsudaira, built Yotokuji Temple and formed this area. There are many things to see that each temple has historic artifacts and stories, such as Yotokuji Temple. It is a temple with the grave of the feudal lord Matsudaira family. Shokakuji Temple. There is a 70.8-inch long iron bird statue. It's the largest in Japan. Anjuji Temple. There is the oldest bell in Oita Prefecture. Choshoji Temple. There's an elegant Zen garden. Next to Yotokuji, there's a Catholic church. You can see the Japanese Western blended building of the church and the gate. Across the road, there is a gateway of a shrine. There are Tenmansha Shrine and Genshoji Temple. Now you noticed? There are 3 types of god or religion mixed in the same place. It's mysterious and it may have something spiritual. That's why it's a spiritual spot called power spot in Japanese, that we may get energy. Come and feel it.